Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from KM Expert. In this video, we will learn RSA, a famous way to send secret messages using public and private keys. Imagine a mailbox. Anyone can drop a letter in from the front slot. That is like the public key. Only the owner can open the back using a private key. Even if people know the mailbox location, they cannot read the mail. Step 1. Pick two secret prime numbers. In our example, we choose P equals 3 and Q equals 11. Step 2. Compute N equals P times Q. Then compute phi of N, which is P minus 1 times Q minus 1. Step 3. Choose a public exponent E that is relatively prime to 20. We pick E equals 3. Step 4. Compute the private key D. The formula is D is congruent to the inverse of E mod phi of N. This means E times D is congruent to 1 mod phi of N. With E equals 3 and phi of N equals 20, we need 3 times D congruent to 1 mod 20. Try 20 times 1 plus 1 equals 21, and 21 divided by 3 gives 7. So D equals 7. So our public key is N equals 33 and E equals 3. Our private key is N equals 33 and D equals 7. Now we encrypt. Let the message be M equals 2. The ciphertext is C equals M to the E mod N. So C equals 2 cubed mod 33, which equals 8. To decrypt, we use M equals C to the D mod N. That is 8 to the 7th mod 33. 8 to the 7th is 2,097,152. Dividing by 33 leaves remainder 2. So the original message is 2. That is RSA in action. Public key to lock, private key to unlock, and the math guarantees security when the primes are huge.